to download images from Google to Gallery in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And after that, what you have to do is you have to click on the search button, and then you can search for the nature images. So you can search for the nature images, and then you can click on the nature images, and then you have to go to the images tab. When you go to the images tab, then you have to click on the any of the images that you want, that you like. Let's say I choose these images, it is so cool. So what you have to do is you have to choose click on the images that you want to download, and then long hold the images. Then you see the download images or share images. There is these two options. Then you have to click on the download images. When you click on the download images, then images is downloaded successfully. After downloading the images, when you go to your photos or gallery, let's say I go to my photos, then you have to click on the library, and then you can see in the download. Then here you can see this is I have downloaded this photo here. So this is my in my photos. So that's basically it, that how you can download a photo to your photos or gallery. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.